I was just down bad, rocking shell toes. Now my mama got the Gucci and Chanel on. If you talk about that woman, put them shells on. It's a scary fucking sight, put the hell on.
Hey, bitch. Hey, let's get it. Let's get it. Huh?
Hey, what's good, Devin?
Are y'all fucking ready?
Yo.
Like, damn!
Yo, it is 5 a.m.
Why,
bro.
why I'm about to
Chill.
I want to tell you something. I'm about to turn the fuck up!
Did you just take some
Like-
Adderall this morning, my boo?
Dude, you don't know what fucking time is it? Give me the dogs. Give me the dogs.
Bro, chill, bro.
Hurry up, damn!
Put on some shit,
Bro,
Can I move my hand? Can I move my hand?
Yeah,
Can I please move my hand?
Bro, hurry up, bro. Hurry up. Just turn me up and turn me up. All right, bad.
Hey, play some chill shit. I'm about to take a nap.
All right, bad. I got you.
Listen first. No, bro, I'm trying to drive, bro. Come on.
I know you hate being sober, and I know all these niggas hate you. Oh my God!
Let's get it. Huh? Let's get it.
What's up, y'all?
What's good, bro?
What's good, bro?
I got the oxys time, right?
No, bro, please.
Bet.
I'm not trying to listen.
Hey, I got some good music for y'all today, bro.
I'm not trying to listen to
Because
some
last
rock
time you
shit, bro.
fucking up the whole.
Trust me, dudes. This one's gonna be good.
Okay.
Alright, bet. We'll see though. We'll see. I ain't doubting you.
You stare politely right on.
Just wait.
Some sort of window to your right. She goes left to
You can pause that right here. You can pause that right quick.
Listen to me.
What?
Just listen to me. You're the only one that's vibing.
It's too slow. You want me to put on something like more hype?
Play something
Sure, please, yeah.
Some hype, right?
Something we all
Some hype.
Bro. Yes,
I got you.
yes, bro. Thank
I
you, bro.
freaking got you, man.
Like that,
just
bro.
just wait.
You already know we about to turn up. This ride is a little bit long.
Just wait.
Like, come on with this bullshit, bro. Say it hype, bro. This is not. Please stop.
Pause that right quick.
Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Huh? Scooby-Dooby-Doo, bop-boop.
You are not getting the oxys time.
That sucks because I'm in the front and you are in the back.
But this is my car.
Listen to me, bro. Listen.
Just don't play that whack shit.
Don't play whack shit.
What's
alright?
whack to you?
Just
Anything you play is just don't play that
Who
whack
the
shit.
fuck are you?
Give us some good that new Kamikaze be bumping,
Bro,
man.
Man, give me the fucking
Play Kamikaze,
bro.
bro. Play
This is my
Kamikaze.
car.
Or that
My
Squishy
ox.
shit.
It's all right. I got, bro.
That new
shit,
MGK
I got
shit
you.
is.
You better not play some wax.
I'm not. On God.
You promise, bro?
I just said on God.
You can play Lucky You with Join the Lucas. That shit bumps, bro. Put that shit on.
Actually, no. I got something way fucking better.
Alright, we gonna
see, bro.
God,
All right, bro. Go ahead, man.
Okay.
On God, bro.
I
I
trust you, bro.
swear to
What you
God.
got, bro?
Y'all ain't even ready for this right here. Fuck yeah.
Turn it off.
Bro.
Thank you.
All right.
You are 17, my dude.
I can't be coached.
Can we not listen to some old ass music?
Bro, call me fuck
not
up.
even the greatest.
Bro,
Why do you got a dick?
Play-
Why do you have a dick in your ass right now?
alright.
Listen, he's not that good.
Can we
Why do you have
just
a dick in it?
listen to something we can listen to in this day and age?
All right. God damn.
Let's get it. Let's get it. Huh? Scooby-Dooby, bop-boop, scat it. Scat it.
Are you guys ready?
Yes,
I'm
I'm
ready,
ready,
bro.
bro. Can't wait for this to go.
Hey, this shit kind of going. That's like if you like. It's in here.
Wait.
Scat it. Scat it. Scat it. Scat it. Scat it. Scat it. Shout out J. Cole. Hey.
What's good, fellas?
My door. Sorry, man. Hey, man.
What's up, bro? Y'all ready to listen to some tunes?
Oh, sorry.
Yeah. I got that crank today.
What are you playing?
Dude, here, bro.
You already know.
Listen, bro.
I don't know.
Don't play anything like you played last time.
I don't know.
All right, Jacob, that's what I'm talking about. like. A snitch, that's bang. I don't like. A bang, bang, bang. Bang, don't like. Sneak, this sounds don't like. Don't like. Don't like.
Hey, Jacob, I'm gonna be honest with you, bro. What the fuck, bro? Yeah, what the
It's that Chief Keef.
That's not Chief.
Y'all ain't never heard of him
That
before?
is Chef Kev.
Bro,
Yeah,
that's why.
Y'all don't like it?
Bro,
That's Chef
there's no way I
Boyardee,
don't
not Chief
fucking
Keef.
like it. Listen to me.
I want to hear them fucking words, bro. You see,
That's the whole point.
Listen. Fuck. I want to hear that.
I'm not allowed.
You can say that for me real quick.
Freak. Freak.
Come on.
I'm not allowed to say those words.
Come on.
Why, bro? It's just a word.
I don't want to get in
Dude,
trouble.
You see the door though?
Can we just listen to the music?
Just open the door for me.
Don't like.
Let's get it, huh? Let's get it, huh? Let's get it.
What's up,
man?
Josh?
Hey, what's up,
What's up, man?
What's up, baby? What's up, bro?
All right, then.
Can I get out?
But look.
Oh,
yeah,
sure, man. Sure.
Get the aux. Let's get it.
Go ahead, man.
So,
All right, play some heat.
I got heat for y'all.
Oh, for real?
I got heat for y'all. I got
bet.
heat for y'all, bro.
You fire, man.
Oh, that's 69, bro.
Treyway shit. What are you doing? Fucking Treyway. Whoa.
My booty like a willy nigga. I'm for really nigga in the bed with the
Yo! What the fuck are we listening to, bro? Yo, turn that shit off.
Turn that shit off, dog. Turn that
Give
shit
me the.
What the fuck are you listening to?
Y'all weren't cranking
What's
to
up
this?
with that gay shit?
Y'all weren't cranking to this?
No.
Get the
Really,
fuck out the
bro?
car.
Get
Get the fuck, bro.
Come on, bro.
Like, what the fuck was he playing?
That's exactly what I'm saying.
Bye.
Goodbye.
Bye. Go ahead.
You are some other shit. You are on.
All right, get the fuck out.